In my experience, it is usually possible to even break up your prompts into many different components and then dynamically choose the right ingredients and put them together to craft the prompt that you're using. Maybe you can walk through that a little more slowly.
Yeah. The key component to this is having good retrieval and having fast retrieval. Let's say you are generating an answer for a question, and generate that answer, you have to go and fetch information from a variety of data sources, make a bunch of API calls, do a bunch of calculations, and so on. And at each spot, each checkpoint where you're doing either of these actions, you can change your context window such that in order to perform that action, you have the right context. Because all of this is happening in response to just a single query, if you are latency sensitive, you would want this switch to happen very fast. So you need some form of very fast retrieval and a good retrieval mechanism, a way to fetch from your prompt repository where you have this large collection of different instructions to find the best matching prompts for this particular context. It could be as simple as just using embedding matching, but I would say that depending on your application, you can use a lot of heuristics. You can categorize those prompts in certain ways. You can categorize the user query in certain ways or the actions that are taken, so that when this type of action is being taken, we would want to make these type of prompts available. The more interesting part is in the memory management, where you can store the conversational history. If this is a user, then personalization. So all the history they have since they started interacting with the system, or all the instances of workflows that were performed in the past. Again, it all depends on how you set your retrieval mechanism and trying to have that latency versus accuracy trade-off managed.